Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice spicy. To begin, selecting the right chili peppers is crucial for achieving that perfect heat. Fresh chilies offer a vibrant, immediate kick, while dried options provide a deeper, more sustained warmth. Consider your preferred spice level and the overall flavor profile you want to achieve in your dish. Timing is key when adding your spicy elements. Sautéing fresh chilies with garlic and ginger at the start infuses the oil with flavor. Incorporate chili oil or your favorite hot sauce directly into the rice as you stir-fry it. For a final flourish and a burst of heat, sprinkle some dried chili flakes just before serving. Beyond just heat, you can enhance the overall flavor of your spicy fried rice. A spoonful of sriracha or gochujang adds a wonderful depth and tanginess. Don't forget a small pinch of white pepper for a subtle, aromatic warmth. For an amazing textural contrast and an extra layer of spice, try adding a dash of chili crisp. For the best results, always taste your fried rice as you cook to adjust the spice level to your liking. Using day-old, cold rice is essential for achieving that perfect, non-soggy texture. Remember, fried rice is best enjoyed fresh and hot, so serve it immediately after cooking for optimal flavor and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.